We're at Harmon's Park in Baltimore at the BWI TWU 555 Cookout, and we're having a great time.
Today's a great day. My name is George Davis. I'm the TWU District 1 representative. We're here at the first annual District 1 Cookout. We got ice cream, we got games, we got events. We bring the whole family. This is my daughter Isabella. She came out to join us today.
Fellowship, camaraderie, brotherhood, sisterhood. You know, I've been here 25 years and two of my closest friends came over from Raleigh, Durham. I haven't seen them and it's been like about 12 years. You didn't make it this year, definitely next year, come on out. For real.
Came all the way from Philly to Baltimore to have a good time at the Cookout with Tony, Andy. If you didn't come, you missed it.
Been with BWI for 13, 14 years, and we came back to see old friends. Always a pleasure to be at BWI.
Right. The union put together this event for us to come out here to be together. Definitely support the union.
Well, today was a great day. Thanks for coming out, for all those who came out. I got my main man, the representative of BWI, Justin, and all the guys at BWI for helping me today with this cookout and getting everything together. Thanks for those who coming out. And if you didn't make it this time, we'll see you next year, the same place, same time.
Thank y'all for coming.
Fallen brother Shaq. Miss you, bro. Love you. Wish you were here.
Love you, bro.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, Playboy.